Need to restore data from an old Samsung Kies backup file. TBU files contain phone backups from Samsung's legacy management software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these Samsung Kies backup files. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic TBU corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. A TBU file is a backup created by Samsung Kies, the official desktop software for managing older Samsung mobile devices. Users create these files to save a complete snapshot of their phone's data, including contacts, messages, photos, and settings, before performing a system update or transferring to a new device. The TBU format is a proprietary container, essentially a compressed archive, often zip-based, holding various data types like SBU, SPM, and media files. This design allows Samsung Kies to bundle diverse user data into a single manageable file for streamlined backup and restore operations, though it obfuscates the internal contents. Technically, the best program for TBU is usually Samsung Kies from Samsung. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows cannot explore backup archives, so extraction depends on compatible backup utilities. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your TBU file and click Open With. If Samsung Kies is available, start with that. If not, don't hesitate to test every other option in the list. If the TBU file is still giving you trouble, relax. This particular TBU file is causing errors because it's so specialized. We need to check these 3 key details right now to rule out simple mistakes. First, restoring with Samsung Kies. Install Samsung Kies on your computer and connect a compatible Samsung phone via USB. Open Kies and navigate to the Backup and Restore section. Select Restore and locate the TBU file. Choose data categories to restore, and Kies transfers the backup contents to your device. Next, migrating to Smart Switch. Samsung Kies has been replaced by Samsung Smart Switch for newer devices. Smart Switch can import older Kies TBU backups for migration to current Samsung phones. Install Smart Switch Download and use the Import Legacy Backup feature to access TBU file contents on modern Galaxy devices. Finally, extracting manually. TBU files contain compressed data that may be inspected by renaming to .zip and extracting with archive utilities. The internal structure varies by Kies version and may include readable database files or media. This approach provides limited access without official Samsung restore tools. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.